What it do, baby? You already know you already motherfucking Nizzo, man. It's your boy JP, man. We back with another vid, man. So as you can tell from the title and the thumbnail, man, we about to be going to do a pickup at the same place I was at last time that I picked up my the Rock Island Armory TM22. We headed that way. I just got the call that my gun that I just purchased a few days ago is there and available for pickup. So we about to go pick that up, man. I'm excited, man. The build of this gun is kind of similar to a gun I did probably like a year or two ago when I first started out, man. But this gun that I'm going to pick up now, man, it looks way better, man. We got a bronze camo, man. I'm talking about it's cold. It's a 12 gauge. Man, I'm telling you, it's raw. This is probably the best gun that I done bought so far, next to the Kel-Tec that I had. But man, I'm telling you, this camo on here, raw. But nonetheless, man, we're gonna continue this video at the gun place where I go to pick up my guns, man. I might let y'all get a little sneak peek of it at the end. You know, who knows? I'm still deciding. I might let y'all get a little sneak peek though. But man, I'll see y'all there. Peace out. Eat that red, bud. Yeah. What's up, bro? Anything?
That's fine.
Yeah, 517.
Hey, how you doing? Here for do a pickup.
What's the name?
Joseph. Last name Pore, P-O-R-E. It's a 12 gauge shotgun.
Okay.
I think it's by G-Force, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay. Well, you say your name is what again?
Joseph.
Joseph what?
Pore, P-O-R-E.
One second.
All right. How much you be charging for your gun range?
It just depends on what you're trying to do. If you're just trying to come out there and shoot, it'll just be like $60.
60 bucks.
Trying to go out there and train, it's gonna be 160.
Okay. Where you be shooting at?
I got a range in Simpsonville, and then we just be in Rock Hill.
Yeah.
We train folks up there at Hyatt Farm sometimes. It just depends on what's close, how far people feel like driving, you know.
For the 60, how long can you shoot?
Out there.
Out there? Mm. So I usually go to Blackstone. I think it's probably like 30, maybe, for like maybe an hour or two, something like that.
Yeah, Blackstone is not bad, but you know, mine is just you can be outside, kind of do what you want a little bit.
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. And how much you charge for your class, your CCW class?
I'll consider the 80.
80 for real?
$79.99.
Damn. I thought like 100, 200 was like minimal.
It is, but we just try to get a little business.
Okay.
Try to let everybody know that. You know, we ain't got to beat everybody over the head.
Yeah, for sure.
Already $8.
No, okay.
But that's still a fair deal. Like handmade, lifetime warranty. You never have to buy a hose. You buy one, you never got to buy another one again.
Yeah. And what y'all usually is it every Saturday? How often y'all do it? Once a month? Okay. But it's on Saturday though, once a month. Okay. All right, y'all. So we secured that thing. I ain't gonna lie, this joint heavy as hell, man. But I'm gonna get with y'all when I get back to the crib. All right, y'all. So we finally back from the gun place, man. Man, minimum, you're gonna spend a guarantee 40 minutes there. Maybe an hour, but that might be pushing it. But I'm telling you, guarantee 40 minutes there. But it's all good, man. Like I said in the prior video, man, we secured that thing. We secured the gun, man. So no complaints from my end, man. But that'll be it for this video, man. Y'all stay tuned to the next video, which is going to be unboxing likely on this weapon, man. And like I said in the other video, I'm going to let y'all get a quick little sneak peek before I end the video, man. But y'all already know the motto, man. Don't stop chasing dreams because dreams do come true eventually, man. But let's get into this sneak peek real quick. Give y'all a little head start on the unboxing. You dig? Let's check it out.